Hey everyone, it's Clay Thompson, General Manager here at Ed Martin Chevrolet in Anderson. Wanted to give you a video of this RST that we got the build complete on, the one we put the leveling kit, wheels, tent, and side steps on. Without further ado, here it is. So as you can see, we put these fuel wheels on it to replace the regular RST wheel. Went with the black, so you got a complete all black look on this truck. Black side steps, everything there. Tinted the windows. This is one really good looking truck. Got the black badges on it. Love for everybody to come take a look at it in person. You won't be disappointed when you come take a look at it. Give us a call, text, email, private message. Love to set up an appointment for you. Hope to see you soon.